How to compare Google Ads and Facebook ads fast. If you're a business owner or marketer, you're probably wondering how to make the most of your advertising budget. In this video, we'll swiftly compare Google Ads and Facebook ads, two of the most popular platforms, to help you decide which one fits your needs. Google Ads, known for being a search focused platform, excels by connecting businesses with users who are actively searching for products or services. This makes it ideal for capturing demand from potential customers who have a clear intent to purchase. With features like keyword targeting, businesses can reach a more refined audience. On the other hand, Facebook ads focuses on helping businesses reach potential customers based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. It's exceptional for brand awareness and reaching people who may not even know they need your product yet, allowing for more creative and engaging campaigns. When it comes to cost, Google Ads generally operates on a cost per click basis, which means you pay every time someone clicks on your ad. It might be more expensive, but often yields higher conversion rates. Facebook ads, however, tend to be more cost effective, offering lower initial costs and a range of payment options like cost per thousand impressions. As for targeting options, Google Ads provides keyword based targeting, ideal for capturing users with high intent. Facebook Ads offers meticulous audience targeting options, leveraging its vast data on user preferences and behaviors. Considering ad formats, Google Ads includes text, responsive, shopping, and video ads, mainly displayed across Google search results, YouTube, and partner sites. Facebook Ads offers diverse formats like image, video, carousel, slideshow, and collections that integrate seamlessly into users' feeds. Ultimately, the choice between Google Ads and Facebook Ads depends on your advertising goals.